Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. Welcome to my channel, the Real Love Festival Survival channel. Nice day today, I thank God for the grace. And in today's video, it's all about these containers right here. Some time back I bought these containers and they had biscuits in them. Highland Scottish shortbread. Very tasty biscuits indeed, and they are original, thumbs up. So forgive the background noise, I am in a city and they're working across the road there. But yeah, today's video is going to be all about these containers, and I put a little kit inside them. So going along with a little mini series that I've just put together about kits and containers and stuff, I put this together. So stick around and I'll show you what's inside them. Thumbs up guys, see you in a sec. Okay, so I'm inside now, on the table, got my two tins to show you, the two biscuit tins, shortbread biscuits, which are delicious, and I've eaten them. I was going to save them for a rainy day, but you know, it rains a lot here, so I've eaten the biscuits. And this bag, if you've been watching my scavenging videos, I was walking down the street and I saw this bag just lying on the floor. So I've reused it. I'll show you now what it looks like with the tins inside it. So this is what it looks like with this bag. Good fit, does fit in there quite tight. Now this bag, I found it and the street, and I repurposed it now, so I've put my two tins in there. That's what it looks like. So yeah, this is one tin here and one tin here. Fantastic boxes actually, tins, quite big, not too bad, bigger than the old tobacco tins. And I thought, what can I do with these tins? So basically I kind of put a little fire kit together, but it's not just a fire kit, it's just stuff to storage away, and you know where they are. What I'll do, I'll start off with this one on your left hand side, put them to the side and show you what I've got in this one. Okay, so I've put everything on the table from tin number one, fantastic storage tin. I'll start off on your left hand side. Just got basically the Zippo pouch, little belt loop on there made of leather. That's obviously for the Zippo lighter, fantastic bit of kit right there. Okay, left hand side bottom corner, this is the Leatherman pouch made of leather as well, little belt loop. So it's, I mean, I could basically take all this stuff out of storage, put it on my belt, and I'll be good to go. That's why I like this little tins for storage solution. Basically put all my outdoor stuff inside the tins, I know where they are. So yeah, this is one of the earliest Leatherman tools, US. You can see right there, this is one of the earlier ones. I can't remember how long I've had this. I've had this probably around about maybe 15 years, 10 to 15 years easily. Can't remember actually, I've had it so long. But basic tools on there, knife sharpener, file, little blade here, basically cut off the tip right there. None of this is locking, but I cut the tip off just to make it under 3 inches. So yeah, little blade, couple of little flathead screwdrivers, a little Phillips on this side, bottle opener, tin opener over here, and a small little screwdriver right here, and obviously the pliers as well, wire cutters as well. So that goes nicely into this leather pouch right here. And as you can see, I'm trying to keep it kind of leather theme as well, nice for your belts. Over this side I've got a bellows right here, nice little bellow, little tiny knife sharpener, knife sharpening stone right here for keeping my blades nice and sharp, and some cotton wool buds just to stop everything from rattling around in the tin. Don't want to make loads of noise. Yeah, picked up this pouch, I think it was about 30 pence, made of leather as well, a nice belt loop. So if I wanted to, I could basically put this in there. It does fit in there. So I can have the bellows in there, I can have the sharpening stone in there, and of course I can have the cotton wool in there as well. Alright, so moving on, in the middle of your picture, got my Swiss Army knife right here. This is the Handyman, and a little strap I picked up for 20 pence recently. So I did do a little review on this knife. If you scroll down and look for the free tag, my favourite knives, you'll see I was tagged there by Preparedness Veteran. Thumbs up to you, and thumbs up to all my friends out there. Grey Scout Tactical, God bless you. Everybody I know, all the Robs. Rob over there in Florida. Okay. So yeah, nice little pouch that goes with the Swiss Army knife. Again, it's got a nice little belt loop on there. Okay, moving on. This little strap, leather, again, I picked it up for 20 pence. Fantastic little deal. Nice little thing there for you to attach to your stuff. Basically, I might use that for the Swiss Army knife. I was thinking about it, but I put this strap on there for now. But I may well put this one on there as well. Which would be nice, going along with the leather theme. So yeah, basically that's what's in tin number 1. Another little strap here as well that I found, leather. I could put that on a Swiss Army knife as well, or I can attach it to other things. So basically that's what's in the first tin. As you can see, you know, this is kind of like me everyday carry. Woodsman kit as well, everyday carry, but I keep it nice in these tins. I don't think you can boil water in there. I wouldn't try it. Very thin. I mean, I suppose you could do, but you know, I don't want to damage this tin. So yeah, keep your stuff, reuse your stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all the contents from this tin and show you what I've got in that tin there. So there we have it, everything's back inside there. Nice little storage solution. I know where everything is, so I could just whack this pouch on the top there and just close it with the lid, and if I want, just to make sure it's nicely together, I could just whack an elastic band round there. Okay, so if I wanted to, I suppose I could put some tape round the outside to make it waterproof, water resistant. Okay, so that's that tin. What I'm going to do now is move on to this one. What I'll do is I'll lay everything out and I'll show you what I keep in this tin right here. Okay, so this is the contents of the second tin laid out right here. Firstly here, got some Vaseline, a nice little metal container. I suppose you can use that when you're finished with it. You can use that for storing stuff in there as well. Just a little tub of Vaseline. You can use that for many things. In this little container right here, got some shavings of some fat wood, which was sent to me by Plymouth Fens. Little shout out to Plymouth Fens right there, and also shout out to Mad Dog and everybody else that I know. Right here, just got a little bag with some cotton in there, some birch bark in there, some of those little barbecue fire lighters in there, and some other cotton wool there with some Vaseline on them as well for tinder. In this little tissue, I've wrapped up a ferro rod, nice size ferro rod there, unused, one of my spare ones. Basically wrap it in here so it doesn't rattle around in the tin box. Okay, I'll come back to these 3 containers right here, and this is my Ranger Band logs cut into slices. If you haven't seen my video, scroll down and look for the Ranger Band logs, mini, fire starters in emergency. You can pull out one of these strands on the inside and make it like a little candle in an emergency situation. They are toxic, so be careful with rubber from tyres. Just a couple of different ones right here for emergency fire starting. A whole tin right here, container of fluid, clipper fluid for my Zippo lighter. Also I can use that if I wanted to get a fire going. Some more cotton wool just to stop things from rattling around in the tin. And here just got one small little bandage. Actually I only use this in the tin just to stop everything from rattling around. So just got one of those in there, but I suppose I can use this as a tinder as well. Okay. And a little Fresnel lens. Very handy. So all this gear, this stuff down here fits into that tin there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move everything to the side and show you what I've got in these 3 containers right here. This is basically a little idea I got from Preparedness Veteran, and he's got some nice little tins, and he said to me, why don't you put some matches into one of these. So anyway, I'll move everything on the side and show you what I've got in these 3 tins right here. Okay then, so just wrap round the tins. I've got some Ranger band just to keep the tins nice and secure. Little Ranger band. And then this tin, if I can get it open, no problem. Okay. Basically in here I've got some stormproof matches right there, and just a tiny little bag of fat wood shavings, just a tiny little bag. So if I need to get a fire going, I've got that there with some cotton wool buds. Incidentally, one of these is with Vaseline as well. So a little fire tinder tin right here. Okay, moving on to the second tin, taking off the Ranger band. Always when you get to do a video you start fumbling around for some reason, and anyway, oh, not too much. Right in here I have some jute twine in a little bag right here, and this is cool. Got one of these little forever matches. Basically it's a little container and it's got a little striker on the side there, very cool. You put fuel, some fluid in there, lighter fluid, comes with a nice little key ring thing there, right there. So yeah, basically kind of a forever match. You put some fuel inside there and you strike it on the side and you've got a little light there. So tin number 2, jute twine, a little forever match. Okay, jute twine, very good for starting fires. Okay, tin number 3, take off the Ranger band. Now, okay, now in this one got some more cotton wool just to stop stuff from rattling around. In here I've got those mini glow sticks in a little baggie, very handy to have. So basically that's what I've got in these 3 tins. Mini glow sticks in this tin, little fire forever match here, some jute twine, and then this one some stormproof matches, some bits of cotton wool, and little shavings of fat wood there as well. Okay, I've got this little idea with the 3 tin combination for fire kits from my good friend. He knows who he is out there. Basically I didn't tell you about this. Basically I use that just to stop things from rattling around. It's like a cigarette butt. I suppose if you put some Vaseline on there, some fuel on there, that will take a flame. So there we have it. What I'll do is I'll just put all this stuff back in the tins and show you the tins together. Okay, so it looks like with the tins inside there, and put some little bits of cotton wool so it doesn't make too much noise. Okay, last thing to add in there is the little tinder bag and the little Vaseline. So there we have it. Viewers, my good friends out there, if I don't mention your name, please don't take it that I'm not thinking about you. Just that on film sometimes we forget names. So there we have it, the contents of the 2 tins right there. Fantastic storage solution. Elastic bands, don't forget those. So this is this kit put together. As you saw in the last one, I had these green containers, which actually recently I went online and found out they were about £10 each, and I bought these box for 50p. A fantastic deal. Remember to check out the charity shops and to check out those market stalls when they have things put up for cheap. So fantastic deal with these tins. These tins I got them for free basically. Bought the biscuits, ate the biscuits inside, and ended up with a couple of fantastic cases. So there we have it, guys and girls. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, share and subscribe if you want. If you like, leave a comment down below. If you want to tell me what you would put in these tins, just leave a little message, a little comment below. And you got any other ideas what I could do with these tins, just let me know. But thanks for watching the video. And you know, the next video that is going to be coming up is going to be on this little pouch right here. So this little mini series again on micro survival kits, micro storage solution boxes and stuff like that. So this is going to be the next one, just a little everyday carry pouch right here. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. God bless you all. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Until the next time, God bless, guys. Thumbs up from me. See ya.